Hi guys, welcome. Now we are going to do hot chocolate bombs. Already I've made the bombs or the shells for the bombs. Okay, and this plate is little warm, and this is the mix. I have here orange powder, then almond powder, then a little bit of nuts, then I have vanilla powder and nuts, lots of nuts, and of course marshmallows and little choco chips. So I'm going to fill in the bombs, in this bombs. So this is basically a warmed plate. It is not very hot, it is just warm. I put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to remove the shells, and I'm going to put it on top of this. Okay, remove it and put it on top of this. This is white chocolate. You can always do any chocolates, that is either milk. Okay. You can see it is melting. This is melted and it is perfect hemisphere. Okay, let me do with this. So I am filling the mix in this. You can see first I am putting the orange, then choco chips, vanilla powder. Oh, sorry. You can see you can fill it how much ever you want. Then I'm putting 2 marshmallows. Now this is a perfect hemisphere now. You can see this is all melted. So I'm just melting it and I'm going to close it. Okay. Let me put the marshmallows as two. Right. Already the chocolate is melted, so it will stick together. Now what we need to do is clean the edges, then put it in a cupcake paper. If you want, you can do a little bit of decoration for this. Okay, let me do the other one. You can see you get a perfect hemisphere once you have that. Now I'm putting only marshmallows and very little of the orange powder. Lots of marshmallows for children. Right? I'm closing it like this. Okay. You can see it is completely clean. Right? And this is the mix. So I'm just removing the plate because this is done. And I'm going to put it in a paper here. This is a cupcake liner. So this is done. Now I'm going to show you how the bomb works. So I'm just putting it in a glass. I'm just dropping my bomb inside. Right? Now I'm going to pour hot milk over it. Really hot milk. You can have water also, hot water. You can see the marshmallows are floating. For a single bomb, you can always do, let's take almost like 200 ml of milk or 250 ml of milk, depending on your taste. Now I'll show you how to line the molds. Okay, this is done. I hope you understood. These are my bombs. And this is my milk. This is my milk. Now we are going to show you how to do the lining of the mold. This is a smaller mold. You can also go for bigger molds. Yeah. Use a pastry brush, and then you brush it like this. You can also use a spoon. Yeah, it's almost done. You can see. Sorry about that. This is completely lined. You can always put this in the fridge for a few seconds, then you can give it second coating so that you have a sturdy shell. But I think this should do, no problem. Use a pastry brush or you can use the spoon also to do it. See? Okay. This is going in the fridge now. And I'll just clean this out. It is going in the fridge. You can see these are the bombs and these are the milk with that. So I'm going to decorate the bombs which we did now. I'm just going to do with edible dust and disco dust. For that you'll be needing dust. This is my dust palette. Okay. I'm a great fan of bronze, and let's go in for orange because we did orange powder. So this is disco dust. You want to paint it, you can paint the whole thing. See the difference? Okay, let's go in for a little bit of bronze on top of it. Right. It looks almost like planets. Right? You see the difference now? I usually use magic gold for this, so it's not ready available now. So I'm leaving you with this image. I'm leaving you with the image of my bombs. I hope you learned something. See you.